Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking a photo that reads well at small scale. Choose one with a clear subject and simple background so complications don't appear on the watch. Once chosen, make minor edits in photos, straighten, crop, increase contrast to improve legibility. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and connected to the same Apple ID. You'll need Bluetooth or Wi-Fi active. Now, with the photo open on your iPhone, we'll move directly. You tap Share and choose Create Watch Face, or open the Watch app and pick photos to add the image. Either path works. Next, select the face style. Photos keeps the full image, Portrait isolates a subject, Kaleidoscope creates a pattern. Each affects readability differently. Adjust zoom and position so the focal point sits near the center. Make sure the time isn't obscured. Then add complications sparingly, and choose a contrasting color so numbers remain legible at a glance. Tap Add to send the newly created face to your Apple Watch and set it as your current face. The watch will confirm once it's received. If it doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is on and both devices are unlocked. Then reopen the Watch app and sync again. If the subject looks off-center on the watch, go back into Photos or the Watch app to recrop and reposition the image. Small adjustments solve most composition problems quickly, and then re-add the face.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.